notification number 10/2021 Central Tax Rate Notification. Based on suggestions or recommendations from the GST Council, CBIC has increased the scope of reverse charge taxation. Entry number 3A of the said notification talks about essential oils other than citrus fruit, oils of citrus fruit, to be taxed under reverse charge method. It says any registered person, if purchases these essential oils from unregistered person, then tax on such supply will be paid by such registered person or such recipient under the reverse charge. What are the oils that has been mentioned in such notification? First one is peppermint oil. So if you purchase peppermint oil and you are a registered person from an unregistered person, then a registered recipient will be required to pay tax on such supply. And another one is they have categorized it under other mints and they have specified 4 such oils. Those are spearmint oil, water mint oil, horse mint oil, and another last one is bergamot oil. So 5 types of oils have been specified under reverse charge method, and a registered person purchasing them that from the unregistered person will be required to pay tax under reverse charge. Now the benefit of this notification is it is applicable only when you purchase from an unregistered person. So if you purchase from registered person, then you don't have to pay tax under reverse charge. The said registered supplier will only pay tax under the forward charge. So unlike section 9 subsection 3, jahan pe there are cases where even if you purchase from registered persons, you are required to pay tax under reverse charge, but this oil has been specifically told that if you purchase from unregistered person, then you have to pay tax under reverse charge. And they could have included this under subsection 4, but they have included this under subsection 3 only. So if you purchase from unregistered person, you have to pay tax. If you purchase from registered person, no liability to pay tax on such supply on recipient. Their supplier only has to pay the tax.